Make some noise. Second. Sixth grade, make some noise for my man Jerry. Sixth graders, make some noise for my man Jerry. Seventh graders, make some noise for my man Turner. Oh my goodness. Y'all make some noise for Turner, man. That's what I'm talking about. All right. Y'all still remember the question, right? You do? 5 sat on the lawn. 1 took the notion to jump off. How many were left?
0.
All right. These guys are absolutely right. They took a notion to jump off. He didn't say he jumped off. He thought about it, but he didn't do it. Y'all remember that question now.